अब कहने के लिए तो वो इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल था, लेकिन पहले हमारे टीचर लोग खुद हिंदी में बात करते थे.
An absolute dismal state. Let's hear Soman Chatterjee share his opinion and ideas upon fixing this problem that exists in our education.
Yeah, I think this particular discussion or narrative is quite common, and more so for students who are really at important milestones or junctions of their life. Why should English be so important? So we have now, I think, really accepted that English is the universal business language. It is not just a subject, and beyond getting some marks to pass in that subject or do well in that subject of English, we need to have fluency of English both in written as well as spoken form, and even more in spoken form, because this is a language which will allow us to be proficient in our workplace. That's the only language that the corporate world likes to do their work in, and also that this is kind of a de facto requirement in kind of getting selected in job interviews. So I have been on a lot of interview panels, and I see that students who are very good in whatever they have studied, whatever they have been taught, they kind of fumble or find it difficult to articulate what they are already aware of. And this kind of spoken proficiency will come not by just learning the subject, but by constantly engaging in meaningful conversations. And see, language is an element of culture. So just like the way students pick up their mother tongue, and you don't have to really kind of sit down and tell them that this is the first letter of your mother tongue, this is the second letter, and this is how you pronounce. They just pick it up as a part of the culture which is there at home by listening to the sounds. Initially appear as noise, and then they start making sense of that as a sound, and then they start understanding the language and they start speaking. The same kind of immersion has to happen with English, and that immersion is possible only when all the people around you are speaking that language. And that's why at Compass we offer that immersion to the student, and faculty is a role model for the student. They look up to the faculty, and if they speak in English, and that's what we do at Compass mandatorily all the time in our interactions with students, and we ensure that all the students also interact in English, is to ensure that they get immersed in the language and culture of English, and they pick it up for the kind of spoken proficiency which is required later on. It is not just kind of usual business. They have to understand this, which will be very helpful later on in their subsequent education, degrees, postgraduate, undergraduate, and later on in their jobs. If they speak well, if they articulate well their thoughts, ideas, and expressions, they are bound to do well. In fact, there was an interesting survey done in which McKinsey actually conducted this survey with CEOs, and they asked them which skill is the most important skill they think is important for the success of a member in their companies. And they said communication skill is the top skill. And when they said communication skill, let me qualify that. It is the communication skill in English. And 93% of the CEOs said that communication skills is important for the success of a person. So that's the kind of importance that we give to English as a language in terms of the way we speak, the way we even teach. You really would like to take out some time and look at some of the examples that we have provided on our website and our social media channels in terms of how we teach English in the classroom. It is by a collaborative, immersive, engaging process, so that students pick up the love for the language and they start speaking, writing, conversing in English. So we have ensured that the students get the necessary confidence and the conducive atmosphere for picking up the right nuances of English, and they become good speakers for now and forever.